Hello friends, we are SK Translines to unload your burden, to transport your products and cater fast, safe, hassle-free and cost-effective logistics services. In short, we are here to make your business easy. Being India's fastest growing and second largest loader of railway parcel wagons, SK Translines is a multi-model logistic company with head office in Jalgaon. We provide customized services and logistic solutions to our valued customers throughout India. With innovations, we are able to provide unmatched services at best price for any door delivery. SK Translines is also an ISO 9001 and IBA certified company. The uniqueness and strength of this company is in the combination of two generations working together. Seamless young generation with techno-savvy innovative team and experiential old generation with insightful knowledge of logistics. SK Translines was founded by Kantilalji Kothari 3 decades ago with single truck and big vision. Today, it's a team of 250 plus dedicated and professionally trained staff, headed by their sons Mr. Hemant Kothari and Ujjwal Kothari.
हम टीम SK Translines कस्टमर की जरूरतों के समय पूरी ईमानदारी और पारदर्शिता से नए विचार एवं कार्य पद्धति के साथ अधिकतम विज्ञान के उपयोग करते हुए कस्टमर को उसके जरूरत के समय सर्वोत्तम सेवा देने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है।
SK Translines today provide best logistics solutions combining rail and road transport. Company also has expertise in handling and transportation of food grains, handling and transportation of fertilizers, ST parcel services. Today, SK Translines has developed its own integrated ERP system for road and rail transport. A separate process mapping of rail dispatches is another unique thing. Fully online operations, GPS-enabled fleets and railway wagons. Company also follows journey management plan for every trip. Drivers are not allowed to drive at night from 1 AM to 6 AM and trained with defensive driving skills. That minimizes possibility of road accidents and transit breakdowns. SK Translines owns 100 plus GPS-enabled fleets of different sizes of closed body containers for hassle-free transportation. To keep vehicles at its best condition, company has its own workshop for complete in-house maintenance. Before going for any trip, vehicle has to go through routine preventive maintenance. Today, SK Translines handles 80 plus multinational brands from white goods to PVC pipes, pharma to lubricants, FMCG to building materials and food grains to food stuff. While handling wide range of products, our quality assurance team and trained labor takes care of your product's hygiene and safety at most. So that it reaches to its customer in factory fresh quality. Special care is taken like food items stacked separately, separate SOP for each product, unique safety bottom seal is used. Our area of operations is pan-India, but we are more known for East, Northeast and Southern parts of India. That is Maharashtra, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Assam, Orissa, 7 sister states, Pondicherry and Tamil Nadu. Company has its own offices in Kolkata, Pondicherry, Guwahati, Nasik, Pune and Mumbai. SK Translines is a service provider company where manpower, team spirit plays a vital role. Here, grooming and building individual strength is a continuous, ongoing process. Regular training and workshops are organized to achieve this.
Good morning.
In addition to this, many recreational and staff welfare activities are also a routine feature at SK Translines. SK Translines and their innovative and customized services are awarded and recognized with many organizations. Each award is a commitment to do even better, to excel in services. We won in 2008. Whirlpool has honored us by Great Job Done. 2009. Whirlpool has honored us by Best Exceptional Role in Transportation. 2010. LG Electronics has honored us by Best Multi-Model Transporter Award. 2010-11, Apollo Commercial Vehicle Award for Small Fleet Operator of the Year. 2014-15, Apollo Commercial Vehicle Award for Small Fleet Operator of the Year.
My honor to announce Small Fleet Operator of the Year, SK Transline Private Limited.
Here are few customers' feedback.
I think it's from 2005-2006. It's almost a journey of 11 years we have completed with SK Transline. We consider SK Transline as a business partner, as a business associate, not as a service provider. It's if I compare with the other logistic operator, it's their feedback mechanism which ranges from pickup to delivery. That information flowing is very good. Since last so many years, I am just pitching with the Hemant to start on a pan-India operation, particularly for the Samsonite. But right now he's catering mainly to the east. He should start with the north and other sectors also. There are great potential with Samsonite. It's committed to deliver. That's the one sentence I want to say. I convey my best wishes to Ujjwal, to Hemant, and special thanks to Harshad, who is the local representative and always there and committed to deliver. It's truly professional. It's reliable.
We have been working with SK Transline for the last 3 years. East location deliveries was a major problem for us in the early days, because there was always a shortage of trucks, pricing was an issue, and service level of on-time deliveries was also another issue. The moment SK Transline came into the picture, the situation has changed. Whenever we were in requirement for faster delivery of goods, or whenever we require bulk movement of goods, we depended on SK Transline for deliveries. We found SK Transline to be one of the best service provider who is working with us. Whenever there is a requirement is raised by my team, SK Transline always responded positively with the details of train schedules and the approximate time of delivery. And also on the bill submission, we never faced any problem of bogus billing or wrong billing by SK Transline. So my team in accounts who passes the bills never faced any problem on the billing front from SK Transline. For me, SK Transline means on time, every time.
SK Translines is planning to build its own private freight rail terminal in Maharashtra, starting with Jalgaon in 60 acres with ultra-modern facility, which will have a potential to handle 140,000 metric tons every month.
Hi, we Team SK Translines serving in multimodal logistics services like rail and road combinations to our various esteemed customers with latest technology in software and in highly integrated services to the corporate customer. In rail, we can cater and shift bulk quantity in one hook to single point destination, where by road services has taken a maximum transit time like Assam and 7 state sisters. Our organization is doing this business since many years. In railway parcel services, we are the second largest logistic company in India, and now we can look forward single largest logistic company in India. Our future plan to establish a private freight terminal in Maharashtra to serve the customers with bulk quantity.
Customers are our inspiration. Their changing needs make us powerful, and their expectations are building confidence in us. Reflections of all this, empowering us for dreaming higher and higher and higher, for nothing but to make your business more smooth and easy.